Hello everybody, this is the Travels of Balazs, all the way from Cancun, Mexico. Currently I'm staying at the Oasis Palm Hotel. This is one of the many hotels that Oasis properties own, and this is one of the older hotels in the hotel zone. The hotel is located in the northern part of the hotel zone of Cancun, and let me show you my room in 360 degrees. So this is a renovated room. I'm in room 711 on the 7th floor. I needed to change the room because the first night was a pretty old room and it was not fully functioning, and I requested a room change, and it thankfully happened. So this room is very nice. The size is great. It has 2 large beds, so 4 people can easily share this room. The beds are really comfortable. I had 3 nights at this hotel, and the bed was very comfortable. I didn't sleep well, but it was not due to the bed. There are plenty of pillows that are very useful if you want to watch TV. It has lots of Mexican and American TV stations. The air conditioning it keeps the room cold, and if you want to get some fresh air, that's what I like to do in the evenings, then you can also open the window a little bit and get some fresh air. Now, the view from the 7th floor is phenomenal. You know what? I'm going to show it to you in a different way. So as you see, the view is amazing. You have the sea, the Caribbean Sea, the palm trees, the turquoise water, and the white sand beach. This is an all-inclusive hotel, which means that most of your meals, not all, but actually no, all of your meals are included, and the local drinks. There are some things that you have to pay supplement for. If you want to do motorized sports, water sports, then you need to pay extra. Now, the hotel is located next to a pier, and this is a party pier where most of these large vessels, these large ships leave and get back. So it can get a little loud during the evenings, but it's only for a few minutes. There are blinking lights all around, but you can also pull the curtains, and then the room gets fully dark. In the center there is a table, a really heavy table. It's wrought iron chairs. It's really, I'm surprised to see these in a hotel room. There's some storage. There is, I didn't even notice that there is a fridge in the room. And, oh yeah, this is also a connecting room, so if you come here with a family, you can just go in and out of your rooms. Now, next to the bed, the tableside lamp is nice. Although, this room has been renovated recently. When I stepped into the room, I could smell the fresh paint. And you know, just a few things that they should have paid more attention to. It's like, if you have some paint left on the lights, then just wash it off. I mean, these are just all the small details that makes a 4-star hotel look a little better. Now, let me tell you that the 4-star hotels in Mexico they may be different than the 4 stars than you got used to, let's say, in North America, in the United States, or in Europe. So just keep that in mind. But the facilities of the hotel are actually great. What I really missed at this hotel was the electrical plugs to charge your phones. I mean, if you renovate a room, at least you should have a USB plug or something similar. There was one plug here, but I had to move this little cupboard, and there's one more plug at the wall, and that's it. But you know, these are just small things that a world traveler needs. Well, there's also an alarm clock on the other side, so if you're sleeping on that side, there's no way you can get it, but at least you can put the alarm on. The nice thing was that the air conditioning was not loud and noisy. That was great. The room where I was before, it was an old air conditioning system, and it was extremely loud and difficult to settle the perfect temperature. Now, the bathroom. The sink with the mirror is right in the room, but it's For most people, I don't think it's an issue. There's a nice mirror on both sides, so you can have a view of how you look before you go to the beach or when you come back to check your tan. There is a shaving mirror, which is oddly positioned with the electrical plugs, hair dryer. They provide 2 bottles of water every night, but you know, because this is an all-inclusive resort, you can go down to the bars and then pick up water and drinks, and well, after you are in Mexico, drink tequila. By the way, the food at the hotel was pretty good. It was pretty good. There's a wardrobe with a safe. Nam, and that's the funky part. The safe, you need to pay a supplement. I think it's 120 pesos a day, which is $6 a day for a safe. I think this is awful. No hotel should ever do this, especially if you're in an all-inclusive hotel. Of course, you need to upsell things and get more money, but come on, to be able to use the safe, pay $6 a day, it is ridiculous. It makes you believe that, you know, if you don't buy it, maybe they... No, let's not even talk about that. I didn't buy it. If I have valuables, I just put it in my luggage and lock it. Now, the bathroom. Okay, the shower is nice. You need to wait a little bit to get the hot water, but it eventually comes, and the water pressure is also good. The products that they provide are, well, you know, nothing special. Yeah, they're pretty regular stuff. And 2 towels. There are also beach towels that you can take to the beach. Checkout of the hotel is at 12 o'clock, and most of the international flights to Europe leave in the evening. Unfortunately, the hotel does not have a hospitality room, but you can stay after noon and enjoy the facilities of the hotel and take a shower by the pool and change in the bathrooms. They keep your luggage, and you can eat and drink until you leave the hotel. So that's pretty neat. What else do we have here? If you want to get to the center of nightlife, that's like 5 kilometers from here, or 3 miles, you just take a taxi, or you take the local bus, which costs you 12 pesos, which is, let's say, 60 US cents, and it takes you right in the center of the hustle and bustle, and you can party all night long. You can take a day trip to Isla Mujeres, the island which is just opposite the hotel zone. You can take a catamaran, you can take a ferry, it's a lovely place, or you can just chill and relax at the beach, or go to one of the ruins, or go to one of the many eco parks around Cancun and Playa del Carmen. There's one thing I need to remind you. An all-inclusive hotel does not mean that you are going to stay in a luxurious hotel. An all-inclusive hotel means that almost all of your meals and drinks, with some exceptions, are included in the price. You know that there are differences between 3, 4, 5-star hotels, and that's the same with all-inclusive hotels. So just keep that in mind, that even though it's called an all-inclusive hotel, there are certain things you need to pay extra for. And it's not a luxurious category just because it's called an all-inclusive. On a closing note, there's no free Wi-Fi internet at the hotel. You need to pay. And it's not provided by the hotel, but it is provided by an outside company. An hour of Wi-Fi internet costs you $5 US dollars, but you can buy a package for around $35 for 5 days. And and if you have 2 devices, then maybe it's a little more, but there are packages to buy Wi-Fi internet. And actually, if you don't have a local cell phone, or you don't have a roaming data, then you'll need to buy that. So just keep that in mind when you book this hotel. Otherwise, great location, wonderful beach, palm trees, and I believe this is an affordable way to come to Cancun. Yeah. See you at the next adventure. Make sure you check out my other videos of different hotel rooms around the world, and see you somewhere else in the world. Bye.